Did you know that certain foods can help fight arthritis? It's true. Arthritis, a condition that affects millions globally, is often associated with inflammation in the joints. While there isn't a definitive cure, research has shown that what we eat can play a substantial role in managing its symptoms. Foods that are rich in anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the inflammation, thereby alleviating the discomfort caused by arthritis. So, if you're interested in learning how to manage arthritis with your diet, stay tuned. First on our list are foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are like secret agents fighting inflammation in our bodies. They work undercover, reducing inflammation at a cellular level, and are particularly beneficial for those battling arthritis. So where can we find these undercover heroes? Let's dive in. Fish, for instance, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon, mackerel, and trout are just a few varieties that are packed with these beneficial fats. But if you're not a fan of seafood, don't worry. Walnuts are a fantastic plant-based source of omega-3s. Just a handful a day can make a significant difference. And let's not forget flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids. You can easily sprinkle them on your morning cereal or blend them into your smoothie for an extra health kick. So, why not add some of these omega-3 rich foods into your diet? Next, we have foods high in antioxidants. Now, you might be wondering, what's the fuss about antioxidants? Well, antioxidants are like your body's own little superheroes. They rush to the rescue when your cells are under attack from harmful substances known as free radicals. These free radicals can cause inflammation and other damage. However, antioxidants swoop in and neutralize them, helping to protect your body and reduce inflammation. It's like having your very own cellular Justice League. So where can you find these superheroes? Look no further than your kitchen. Berries, for instance, are powerhouses of antioxidants. They're like the Superman of the food world. Dark chocolate too is rich in these beneficial compounds. And don't forget about spinach, which is like the Green Lantern of antioxidant-rich foods. By incorporating these antioxidant-rich foods into your diet, you can help your body fight inflammation. In summary, your diet can play a significant role in managing arthritis. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fish and walnuts, can reduce inflammation. Meanwhile, antioxidant-rich foods like berries and spinach help to neutralize harmful free radicals. Incorporating these into a balanced diet can aid in the fight against arthritis. Remember, a healthy diet is just one aspect of managing arthritis. Always consult your doctor or a dietitian for personalized advice. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health.